Once full, the B-2 breaks away and heads toward enemy airspace. As they approach the enemy coast, the pilot gives the order to fence in. They turn off their radar transponder. The B-2 becomes a black hole in the sky. Inside the bomb bay, the rotary launcher assembly powers up. The B-6112 nuclear bombs are energized. The red pre-arm lights on the dashboard turn green. The B-2 is the only nuclear weapon system that puts a human eye on the target. The pilot flies directly over the coordinates. The bay doors snap open for less than 5 seconds. The bomb is ejected, and the pilot immediately banks the aircraft hard, 45-degree turn to escape the blast radius. But dropping a modern nuclear bomb isn't just about pushing a button. The B-2 Spirit doesn't just drop the new B-61, it talks to it. It guides it. It literally spins it like a football. So what actually happens inside the cockpit during a nuclear run? Let's break down the step-by-step process of how a B-2 executes a B-6112 strike. Phase 1 starts long before the target is in sight, the revolver setup. Unlike a fighter jet that hangs missiles on its wings, which ruins aerodynamics and stealth, the B-2 hides everything inside. The B-6112s are loaded onto a massive 20-foot-long rotating cylinder called the rotary launcher assembly. Think of it like the cylinder of a giant revolver hidden in the belly of the plane. This is where it gets smart. Before the drop, the pilot uses a digital interface to dial in the bomb. They can set the explosive yield, how big the boom is, and the burst height while they are still in the air. Phase 2, the stealth penetration. The B-2 is a penetrating bomber. It doesn't shoot from safety, it flies directly over the target. As they approach enemy airspace, the pilots fence in. This means retracting antennas, killing all emissions, and going dark. But what if the enemy is jamming GPS? That's where a system called ʔRATS comes in, the radar-aided targeting system. The B-2 takes a quick radar snapshot of the ground, figures out exactly where it is without satellites, and feeds those coordinates to the bomb just seconds before the drop. Here comes Phase 3, the drop. We are now directly overhead. The pilot authorizes the release. The massive bay doors snap open. This is the most dangerous second of the entire mission because that open cavity suddenly makes the stealth bomber visible to radar. The launcher rotates the bomb to the bottom. But gravity isn't fast enough. The bomb is forcibly ejected downwards with pneumatic pressure to punch through the airflow. Bam! Doors closed. Stealth restored.